Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa and I hope you'll stick around and watch my video. So today's scent of the day is Paco Rabanne. I'm not sure what the name of the actual scent is because there is this one and I think there's another girl with a gold dress on, but I'm hooked on the one with the black dress and I thought the bottle was super stinking cute, so that's actually what attracted me to it on the shelf. I saw the bottle and I was like, I have to smell that. So she smells amazing. And I love that you don't have to do anything. You just push her little brain part and then that's all you get. That's amazing. I'm sure Chi knows, and anybody else who is a scent girl, they all know what the name of it is. So I'm sure, you know, watch them, they'll tell you what it's called, and if I figure it out, I'll put it in the description for you. So there's that. And for the lip gloss of the day, I'm actually not wearing any because, hint hint, that is what I picked up from Chanel last weekend, and I was so happy to see Jeff and Cindy in Chanel, and they only had 2 bottles left of my favorite color. So basically I bought both because 1, I love it. 2, I don't want to not buy it and then regret it later. So I'm very funny about stuff like that. If I think that I'm not going to be able to get it, I'd rather just buy 2 than to go without. But my favorite Chanel color is 712. Well, you know what? 712 and 808 are my 2 favorites. And I think that, yeah, if I find another 2, I'll probably get it just because, you know. And of course, a bunch of makeup samples or skin samples or whatever. But that's, sorry, my lip gloss of the day. And I apologize. There may or may not be a Renji cameo because I can hear him running around downstairs, but he hasn't come upstairs, and I don't like to force him to come up just for 2 minutes, and then he will be bored up here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, because if I get a Renji cameo, I will edit it in somewhere, and if not, you know, I'm sure you came to see a bag, not my, well, I'm sure you came to see both. All right, guys, here's his cameo, and my little good boy is about to go tear something up on the ground. So I just wanted to show Renji because he is the star of my channel and my heart. So there you go. Okay. Now, my bag of the day has been all week my Mother's Day gift. It is the Louis Vuitton Duo Sling Bag, and she is just stinking cute. This bag charm is actually a key ring, so it's just a big key, and it just says Louis Vuitton on it, and it has the LV cutout in it. But I love this because I've had it for a really long time, and I normally do have it on my car key, but I don't know, I just thought it went well, and there you have it. So, but she actually got, well, I apologize, he actually got switched into the Diane bag on Friday. So I rocked her on Friday, so she is just beautiful as well. And Saturday and Sunday, I don't even think, matter of fact, I'm sure I didn't leave the house because this has been a house cleaning weekend. But that's what I've been doing all weekend, and I didn't want to go anywhere, so this was my girl, and I will find something else to switch into for Tuesday, since today is Monday, the holiday. So there we go. And for everyone out there, whether you celebrate it, care about it, or whatever, happy Memorial Day. So there's that. And these 2 bags, these 2 beautiful bags, are just going to lead me into the small something that I picked up for this video. So something small from Louis Vuitton, and I wanted to make this video last week when I picked it up, but you know how sometimes things in life don't go the way you think they are. But she is meant to go with the Duo bag or the Diane bag or any black bag that I carry. I felt like she would be a perfect match for this bag, or an awesome insert for this bag. And she's perfectly sized for a car key, some credit cards, a little cash, or if I want to make a very mini toiletry pouch, she's she's perfect for that too. So there she is. Oh, she is cute. She is cute. And normally I am one of those people who, when I tell you day one, I mean, I'm like unboxing it day one so that I can utilize it. But here's the part of this video where you may want to just put me on mute if you're sensitive or whatever. The day I went to the mall, I got to see Ace, I got to see Cindy and Jeff and Chona and Nikki, and had a great day. My girl Lee was unfortunately not at Gucci, but I had a great day in the mall. Swung by and got my burrito. If you know me, you know what the burrito is about. Did a bunch of other random things. I stopped on the way home to get my car charged, and then I ended up going out to Kapolei, which is one city west of where I live, and get crumble cookies. And on my way home, you have to make a left at the light to get on the freeway to go back home from Kapolei. And just as I was getting up to freeway speeds, 3 children ran across the freeway entranceway, the ramp that leads to the freeway, and the only thing that I saw was the little streamer things on the little girl. There's Renji. The only thing I saw was the streamer things on her bicycle, and then her eyes were huge right in front of my car, and I almost killed that kid. I was able to slam on brakes and swerve to the right, and I literally almost threw up in my car. I was so sick because my heart was down in my ass somewhere. I couldn't even cry yet. I mean, I was so just in that moment. And the guy who was behind me, I guess he saw the other 2 kids, so he slammed on brakes. So we were clipping along. We were doing like maybe 45 to get onto the freeway, and he slammed on brakes but swerved into the next lane. I swerved to the right, he swerved to the next lane over to the left, and the guy who was already in that lane had one of those big ass lifted Yodas, so he jumped onto the median, and we all stopped. And then I kind of just blinked on them, and then here they are, 3 little kids. The oldest looked maybe 10, but the girl who was bringing up the rear, maybe 5, maybe 6. And of course I go straight home and I tell my husband about it. I mean, and cried for like an hour because I was so fucking sick. And even that night, I literally dreamt that and that feeling, and I woke up throwing up all over my comforter on my bed. I was so fucking sick, and I have not slept well. Well, it took me a week. So Saturday night, this past Saturday night, was the first night I actually slept all through the night and didn't see that little girl's eyes. It was just fucked up and traumatizing all in one. So yeah, that's the reason I haven't done an unboxing. I haven't gone out. I don't want to. And I've been going to work, and you know, I'm fine, and the little girl is fine. And of course, by the time I got home, I was like, okay, what idiot let their kids out at like fucking 8:30 at night, running across the freeway entrance ramp where there is no light? They should have been a block down the street where the crosswalk is and a street light. Why would the brother let the little sister bring up the rear? Where was your fucking mother? All of those things kind of just went through me all week, and yeah, so yeah, that's a feeling I wouldn't wish on anybody, and I hope that those kids are okay. So yeah, there's all of that. Excuse me for 1 minute because I can hear Renji chewing something. Well, I didn't need that Chanel bag anyway. But yeah, that's kind of where I've been, and I just wanted to share that so that if you know somebody who's not watching their kids, let them know that not only are their kids who they need to think about what if I had hit that kid. Think about what if, you know, all of that. I'm sure you can fill in the blank, but yeah. So I might edit this part out, but we'll see. Yeah, there's that. And I'm one of those people that I need to sleep or I can't function well. I don't function well off of very little sleep. And every time I go to sleep, I'm not vomiting, but I'm seeing that little girl's eyes every fucking night for a week, and I don't think that, yeah, I wouldn't have come and done a video because I'm not the type to smile when I don't want to, or just pretend to be happy for a video. I mean, I think you guys, if you've watched me long enough or watched more than 2 videos, you can tell that I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to Louis Vuitton or Chanel or Gucci or anything else. But when it comes to life shit, I am very myself. So let's hope I edit this out because I think I said more than 1 curse word. So we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, there's that. And so I almost forgot. I have been wanting one of these for a while, and I started journaling about off and on. I suck at journaling, and I suck at the whole agenda thing, but I felt like I wanted this to help me stay a bit more organized with it. And yeah, so I have the large agenda notebook cover, and it's on my desk. But I'm one of those people, I like to, if it's something girly, I want a pink pen or a blue pen or a purple pen. I have a gazillion pens that I like to write in my agenda with, and I felt like this would help me. It's not going to help me. It's not. I'm sorry. That was a lie. That was an inaccurate statement. It's not going to help me, but I just wanted it, and it's cute, and I think it'll go amazing on my desk. And yeah, she's cute, isn't she? So there's that. And I wanted one, but I didn't want one with the Vivian picture on it, because I thought that some days I don't want to see Vivian, and some days I do. So anyway, I just wanted this one, and I thought about, I think there was a black one at one point, but I know I love blue, so there we have it. And it is the Louis Vuitton pen case. So there's that. This is a very small island. I went to Alexander McQueen, and I hadn't been in there in a really long time, and the guy from Tiffany's is now the guy from Alexander McQueen. Hi, Carter. And he helped me. He was so nice. He's such a sweetheart. And they didn't have what I was looking for, and I think it had been over a year since I had seen. There's this blue, black, and white shawl that is humongous, and it used to always hang from the ceiling in the store. And of course, now that I'm interested in it, it's gone. So yeah, it was press season, but Carter was like, don't worry, we'll find you something, basically. And what I wanted, they didn't have in store, but he was able to order it, I believe. Wait a minute. No, wait a minute. I think it was in the store. But anyway, I left the store without anything, and then he was able to order it and have it shipped to my house. So there's that. Oh, I like their packaging. I like that. That's cute. I haven't had anything from Steve McQueen in years. Or, I said Steve McQueen. I meant Alexander McQueen. But what I got was a very large and very beautiful shawl. You know how sometimes you want something it's not really out of my comfort zone because, you know, if you know me, you know Halloween is my jam. That is my vibe. Day of the Dead all the time, every time. Oh, she's beautiful. So yeah, there's that. I will insert a photo of the, you know, the whole thing somewhere in here. And then the other one wasn't available online, and it wasn't available in an Alexander McQueen. And I ended up calling, I believe it was Bloomingdale's, and the girl in Bloomingdale's in New York was not very helpful. I'm sorry, but she was not. And I ended up calling the 800 number back, and the girl at the 800 number said, oh no, there's one in Vegas. And she transferred me over to Vegas, and sure enough, oh, it's different. I like that. Maybe because one was from online and one was from store, I don't know. But this is the other one I was looking at and wanted and felt like I needed at that moment. This one is more of a shawl, and I like that it is a cross of roses and skulls, and just Alexander McQueen at the bottom. So, and what you hear is Renji tearing something up. Yep, the boxes. So there's no way of that going back in the box because he is killing it over here. But yeah, that's it. That's what I bought, and I hope that you muted the part you didn't want to hear and stuck around for the end. And that's that. I hope that you all stay safe, be kind, watch out for kids on the road. If the sun goes down, make your kids come in the house. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Aloha, and be good.